Hey everybody, those were the grip-on portable vice clamps, kind of a hands-free holding station. I want to thank Grip-On for sending these things out to me. They're really awesome. They sent me like a crazy number of pliers, vice grips. I really wasn't sure how these things would work. I haven't had a bench vise since I had my old shop, and that was like forever ago. Saw these things when they got in touch with me. I was curious about them because I know that they can clamp on to any kind of working edge that you have. I just got like a 3/4 top right here. Worked extremely well. They were really stable. My table was actually far less stable than these things were. From the moment that you lock them in, everything stayed secure. Cut through 1-inch galvanized pipe, cut through that metal landscaping post with hacksaw just to kind of see how stable it was. I was impressed. That was a very good test. Grip-On stuff comes with these epoxy coated handles. They're meant to be extremely durable, last test of time. Feels like a totally sturdy, solid product. And it's got the really easy release lever. Great lockable pliers, great vice grips. Grip-On's done no paid sponsorship with me whatsoever. They just sent me out a bunch of tools, which again, I'm really thankful for. Probably most useful to me are gonna be the variety of vice grip, lockable pliers. The flat bill, like bending tongs, I think are also gonna be very useful. I used to bend a lot of sheet metal for flashing and stuff like this. These things though, they look like an 8 or 9-inch set. Better than my last ones, I can tell right from the start. Wider jaw, thinner jaw. They've got a lot of control, and none of these tools really have any slop in the handles. Really can't wait to team up with some of my welder friends. I think they'd be more excited to get their hands on some of this stuff. Got some deep throat, kind of pinch lockable pliers with a pretty fine tip. Looks like there's about 6-inch collar in there. Sure, those are gonna be useful. Smaller 5 or 6-inch lockable pliers, 6-inch kind of duckbill, needle nose pliers, and some mini clamps and tongs, flat jaws just to hold things in place while you're working on them. Again, a lot of this stuff probably gonna be most useful for welders and fabricators. I've got stuff I can definitely use it for. I wish that I'd had the portable clamps when I had the work van, because I can't count the number of times I was trying to cut aluminum strips, metal strips or something like that. Had nothing to lock it into, and so I'm holding that stuff down with my hand. I think you've seen me doing it in videos before. I could have very easily made a clampable edge somewhere, carried a couple of these things around, set them up in like 60 seconds, and they would have worked great. I'm glad I have them now though, because they're gonna be useful around the shop. I'm gonna link Grip-On down below in the description. They're a company in Spain, but they manufacture and transport all over the world. Wanna thank them again for sending this stuff out. If you're interested in getting anything, just check it out down there. Short video today. Let me know what you think down in the description. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to jump down there and answer them for you. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to check back in for more videos coming up soon. And of course, please consider hitting that subscribe button and hitting the little bell button to turn on notifications. That way you'll know when we post new videos. I'm Ethan James with TheHonestCarpenter.com. See you next time.